Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to day 2 of PM 15 days revision crash course. And today we are going to cover management information system. Just previously before this, I've uploaded questions, revision kit solutions on performance management, question number 1 to question number 28, focusing on this topic itself, managing information system. Please do go watch it out. And day 1, we have covered all the topics of management accounting. It's just like a small revision of management accounting topics. Now we are going to focus on performance management. So first one is management information system. Here we are going to move on information and data and control, because to control or manage performance of any company, you need the right amount of data, which is then processed and it becomes useful information. Once you have the data and the information, you then start controlling, because without measuring something, you cannot control it. You cannot improve something. That's the whole purpose, that this is your first topic in performance management. So here, data, the description of data is, it is meaningless. Okay, it is like raw fact, letter, it could be symbol, it could be number, it could be any event or transaction that you have just collected, but it is not processed, it is unprocessed. And just looking at data, you cannot make a useful decision. That's why data needs to be processed. Once data is processed, you analyze the data, you sort the data out, data is structured, then it becomes information. Then you can use it to take decision. And the technology that supports us to take this is information technology. Okay, this is the hardware that you need. For example, you need a hardware to capture, to store, to transform any information. That's what we are having right now, right? We all have this. We have a laptop, we have internet, then we have some systems, information system. There's other software you can say. So their job is to provide and manage the information, to run the organization. They are supporting the organization. Now, good information should be accurate. Okay, where A stands for accurate, C stands for complete, second C stands for cost effective, U stands for understandable, R stands for relevant, A stands for accessible, T stands for timely, and E stands for easy to use. If information has all this 8 characteristics, it is said that information is good. For example, it is no good if you are delaying uh, in providing information, or information is not easy to use, or it is not understandable by users, or cost of providing information is more than the benefit. Understanding, so it should have all these characteristics. Now, privacy and security risk. Because of information, we are exposed to certain kind of risk now, because information is on, uh, everything is online now. That's why we have certain risk, but we have a solutions also to each. For example, there is a threat of natural disaster affecting our information. For that, solution is fire procedure. Then if it's a malfunction thread, backup procedure. You have to back up. Virus, antivirus software, hackers, firewall solution. Human error, train them. And human resource risk, then ergonomic workstation design. You design your workplace in such a way that the risk is reduced. Okay. Now, control. There are two types of control. One is general control. The other set of control is application control. General control is, this is like you are having a control over the system. Examples of general control are personal control. You are controlling the person who is having access to those information. That is known as personal control, by having passwords or locking the door or having an ID card like that. Then we have access control. Okay, so personal access, computer equipment control, and business continuity plan. Next set is known as application or program. Program itself performs this function. This checking is automatically done by the program. You don't have to do anything. Okay, the system does it. For example, they will check whether an information is complete or not by obviously looking other sets of data. Then they will check the validity checks, whether it is in that range or not. Identification and authorization checks and problem management facility. Now, so for confidential information, okay, what type of control do we need? We need control at three stages: input, process, and output. So for input, you need to check the data, the information is complete, accurate, and authorized. Processing, while processing, you should make sure that whoever is processing that information is done by someone, an appropriate person is doing it, and you should keep a log of it, who is doing the processing. Output, how you are going to control, make sure output is delivered to the authorized person only. Example of input, have password. Processing, audit trails, auditors can come and check. And output, distribution list. Now, data visualization. If you see nowadays, all the data are visualized. So much visualization is there. There are so many apps, so many tools, in fact, which teaches you data visualization. And this is a very important skill that data analyst or data scientist or anyone working on the information field, analysis and all, needs to work on. It's, you are converting the huge list of data, the the tables of data, into pictures. That is known as data visualization. Why? Because no one wants to read the narratives, the long sentences. No one wants to go through the big tables. No one wants to go through that list. It's boring, it's complex, and is a waste of time. But through data visualization, just by reading it, you will get a whole idea. That is the job of data visualization. Okay, there are 5 features of an effective data visualization. If you learn data visualization tools in Excel, you will get it while you're practicing, or there are so many other softwares. You can go and learn it. Even from YouTube, they offer free courses now. Everyone is into data visualization. Okay. First, it helps to make a decision. Second, quality of data is improved. Third, integrates with the existing system. Fourth, live data, okay, not outdated data. And it's a real-time collaboration between users. This data visualization tool I am using in my work because, as you know, I am uploading all the lectures on YouTube. Okay, so once I upload it on YouTube, how my videos have performed, YouTube gives me all the data. Okay, they use data analytics, they have their own analytics tool, they visualize the data for me and they give it. So I know which of my videos is performing good, which one is moderate, and which one is not performing so good. I'm not going through the long list and sitting and ask. No, I don't need to ask anyone of you. I'm getting the data, live data. Now, benefits of effective data visualization. First, it has to be accessible. Remember, any data visualization, main purposes is very user friendly. Second, quick decisions can be made. Any changes you make to any data, automatically data visualization changes. It's very quick. And performance, you can optimize the performance of the organization through data visualization. It's a proactive. Then it gives you a wide understanding. For example, cause and effect. If this happens, this is the consequences of it. You can easily change the variables and see the impact on the data visualization tool. I would suggest you to do it on Excel. Not that you have to do it for your exam, but in future, when you're planning to land up or go to a job like that, it helps you a lot. Okay, practice data visualization. Now, modern day reports, if you see, they're often tailored to the user or that certain division. So they should be personalized. Every division will be given different reports, because that same report has been tailored according to that division's needs, because then only it will optimal decision could be made. Okay, it's more personalized, it's very interactive, and have a delivery channel which is optimized in a way in which reports will be viewed. Okay, now these are some tools for report visualization. You can visualize your report. I've included them, and I have shown you I've a demo how it looks like. We have dashboards, waterfall chart, line chart, mapping chart, and pie chart. So this is how a dashboard looks like. Every day I'm seeing dashboard on my YouTube channel, okay, on my performance. So this dashboard is a snapshot of my current performance. With this, I can see everything. I can see the percentage of my subscriber, which video is getting the most view, how long it has been watched, through diagrams like this. You can see there is a chart. There are some figures and it's showing arrow whether it's going up or going down with so many various different colors, so to make it very attractive and appealing to your eye. And if anyone wants to read details, they can just click on it and it will expand you. Now, waterfall chart looks like this. It's just like a waterfall going up and down, up and down, up and down. You see? Line chart looks like this. It's a line, that's why. Can go up, down, remain constant. And mapping chart looks like this, where different shades or different colors has been given to each part. When you click on that, it will expand and it will give you details about it. For example, dark red means something else, lighter ones is something, right? And pie chart, we all know it looks like a pie but different parts to it. For example, you can say red is Germany, okay, which has the greatest proportion out of all, and Netherlands has the smallest population. Okay, we can look at the size also, and also percentages could be included there. Okay, so that's it, and I shall see you in day 3 with cost accounting, where we are going to study all kinds of costing. Okay, throughput accounting, environmental accounting, and lots more. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, you can watch all this revision crash course under one playlist, that is PM revision crash course, and you will get all of the revision crash course for PM. Don't forget to also watch my PM revision kit solutions. Best of luck.